Say, Lily, say, here we are in the hurricane. Say that again. Say hurricane. See, we're in our living room. Lily's got her light sprite. She's on her little tot cot here. Right? We've got Zoe, our dog, camped down next to her. We've got Biker Bob passed out on the couch, as usual. We've got NBC 10 on the news, keeping us in the know. Cat number 1, that's Belle. Cat number 2, Cinderella. Guess who named the cats? And see if you can start to hear the rain before I even get out here. This is just like insane. So we made it through tornado warning number 1. We have a watch until 5 a.m. and this is not even nearly the worst of what we're gonna get. So it's gonna be a long night here. Hope everyone is safe and dry where they're at. And we'll let you know how we're doing.